very warm welcome, and I'm delighted today to be able to video for you from Phil Weaver Automotive at Mere Brow in Preston. This beautiful privately owned 18 registered Vauxhall Insignia SRI, packed full with thousands upon thousands of extra added specification. We've purchased the vehicle straight from its owner, who worked at the Vauxhall plant in Ellesmere Port and who actually built this car as his company car to drive around in. So he spec'd it with these gorgeous upgraded polished and black alloy wheels, privacy glass, Wi-Fi connectivity, heated windscreen, heated steering wheel, and let me just think, leather upholstery, heated front and rear. So a phenomenal opportunity to grab what is an absolute bargain. We network with lots of local people, and obviously over the 30 years that Phil has been in business, has managed to be recommended to many owners who we managed to discuss and purchase cars from. This is a 2018 1.5 turbo, 160 plus brake horsepower, BV18 GVM. Phil Weaver has been in the trade for near on 30 years and has an enviable 5-star customer review rating with over 200 5-star reviews on Auto Trader. So really is a positive experience if you do come and use Phil and speak to him. He's also a car sourcing and car buying service. There you go, rear park assist. It's actually not just parking sensors, it will parallel park as well for you. So it is a really special SRI. There's the turbo, denoting it's the 1.5 petrol engine turbo. Let me just go into the boot. You'll be amazed with the space in the boot. Absolutely phenomenal. How about that for a boot? And also the seats will give you extra space by folding forwards. Spare wheel, emergency spare wheel is included. Sounds like I may have to just reduce the volume of the radio before I show you inside the car. Lovely tyres and wheels, all in superb condition. I haven't shared the mileage with you, but I'm now going to tell you it's done just 7,000 miles. So Vauxhall warranty until 2021 and just 7,000 miles. Absolutely brilliant. Not quite sure why it's so loud, but I'm not quite sure at all. So we have a beautiful cabin stroke cockpit with luxury leather interior, heated front, heated rear, leather armrest, 6-speed gearbox, large screen information centre which doubles up as a navigation, Bluetooth telephone, a wide Wi-Fi connectivity, heated steering wheel, again leather obviously, auto headlights, auto wipers, cruise control. There are lots and lots of SRI Insignias on the market at the moment, but there are none that we can find on Auto Trader or anywhere with this level of trim. So it's not a standard SRI. It does have thousands upon thousands of pounds of extra equipment, which the owner actually chose when he was building the car on the production line. He's now working at Bentley in Crewe, and is more of a friend of mine really. We purchased his father's car last year from him as well. So there's the mileage, 7,170. It's also stop start. There's your heated steering wheel just there, and you've got your cruise control limiter. Also, sorry, go back, voice activation, and then you've got your display here which shows the display settings just there. So you'll flick, let me just see if I can show you going down. If we can choose navigation, just press OK, it will show you navigation. Go back, you get the general. So we just dismiss Phil's phone for now. Let's just go back. And you've got the audio, it's DAB obviously, as you'd imagine. Let's go back to the info. What I like about this car, it gives you something so simplistic as a digital speedometer, which is just fantastic when you're in speed restrictions on the roads obviously. So if we move down to the tunnel, 6-speed gearbox, electronic handbrake, copious amounts of storage. You've got the double USB and AUX ports in there. And does it slide? It's a static armrest actually. Yep, static. It's got a combination of black high gloss detailing, and it really is a very, very nice car. This looks to me like the dashboard is leather stitched, so it's a leatherette anyway. It's got the leather effect dashboard with black stitching, so just a wonderful car. That's your home screen for all the functions. Just choose whichever function you want. So for example, you could have climate, and it will give you the chance to alter the dynamics of the airflow, etc. on the screen. Telephone, it's not connected at the moment. Let's go back to navigation. So there you go. So this car is capable of over 50 miles per gallon. In fact, I was driving the car last week and it was doing 57 miles per gallon, which is quite amazing when you consider it's a petrol 1.5, so a really nice economical car as well. So heated seats just there, 3-stage heating for both passenger and driver. No smells inside the car, no animal or tobacco smells. It's not been abused. The rear seat passengers are afforded also heated seats, and obviously for Wi-Fi you've got the USBs in the back as well, and there is your seat heating for rear seat passengers. So an incredible car. Pockets, and I'm just impressed with this vehicle. It's such a nice vehicle. Nice light headlining, again not marked at all. LED lights in the ceiling. Very, very nice car. Someone's going to get an absolute bargain with this vehicle. So we are open 7 days a week. We just ask that at the weekends you will telephone before you call us. We may be dealing with another client or maybe delivering a car, so this vehicle does come with free UK delivery. So as well as car finance and part exchange, all acceptable, we will also, if necessary, deliver the car to your home or office anywhere freely in the United Kingdom. So a really good offer. So there you go, 18 plate, 7,000 miles, Vauxhall Insignia SRI with thousands upon thousands of added extras included: heated leather, heated steering wheel, heated windscreen, these larger alloy wheels. It's not your standard silver painted wheels, cloth seats. This is a very, very special car. Thank you for listening and watching the video. Any questions, get in touch with Phil Weaver at Phil Weaver Automotive, Mere Brow, Preston, Lancashire.